Product type: electromechanical gauge. Item package weight: 0.43 pounds. Item package dimension: 16.51 cm L x 10.921 cm W x 7.874 cm H. Country of origin: Taiwan, Province of China. Dorman's engine oil pressure gauge reads the oil pressure of the vehicle and is universal for most vehicles. The engine oil pressure gauge is manufactured from high-quality materials for long-lasting durability. Top reviews from the United States. Saved my engine. This was installed to replace an existing electric oil pressure gauge. It alerted me to an oil leak and saved my 454 Chevy engine. This product would be even better with a longer tube.